Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. Very important video for all the CA inter and CA final students who are wondering कि उनके एग्जाम में CARO 2020 या CARO 2016 कौन सा CARO applicable है और भारत में ये कब से आने वाला है, एग्जाम में कब से आने वाला है. So all the questions will be answered in this short video of just 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay, watch the video till very last. Before we start with this video, let me tell you बहुत सारा आप लोग के लिए लॉ और ऑडिट मैराथन अमेजिंग मैराथन वीडियोस अपलोडेड है. Just check out those videos and huge discount offer is on for the 2021 classes. Make sure you avail it. Now coming to this important announcement, yes, CARO 2020 in India will be applicable from the financial year 21-22, which means the financial statements from 1st of April 2021 ending on 31st March 2022. यानी 1/4/2021 से 31 मार्च 2022 वाला जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स है उसके ऊपर ऑडिटर्स विल हैव टू गिव द कारो रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, which means that the financial statements of 21-22, if the CARO reporting is required to be done, it will be done in the financial year 22-23. Try and understand, if I have been asked to make a CARO report on the accounts of financial year 21-22, it is possible only in the financial year 20-23. Getting it? So 21-22 financial statements reporting will be done in 22-23, which means boys and girls, there is no chance that the CARO is going to be applicable for 2021 exams. So for November 21 exam, May 21 exam, November 21 exam, you have to study CARO 2016 itself. Okay. So all your doubts must have been solved by now very clearly, and this is the announcement given by ICAI in the important announcement section, and this announcement I have already interpreted for you. Okay, chalo, keep studying boys and girls, take care, bye bye, and lots of new videos coming your way, updates coming your way, so make sure you are subscribing the channel. Take care, bye bye.